Let's walk into Barbie's history. Barbie has had many looks through time. She has turned into a fashionista. This was the beginning of Barbie. Barbie has transformed over the years. Barbie has had a great romance. Love the happy endings. And of course she loves animals. Ah, I want one of those. So cute. Wow, that's a resume. Barbie's job versatility moves from fashion to music to science and medicine. For Barbie, we all matter.